Introducing the Coneteks Subsoil Mulcher, the versatile attachment designed to revolutionize your land management projects. The Coneteks Subsoil Mulcher efficiently clears and conditions land, transforming tough terrain into fertile ground. It grinds, mulches, and buries, saving time, reducing costs, and enhancing soil quality with a single machine. Whether you're clearing brush, grinding stumps, or preparing soil, the Coneteks Subsoil Mulcher handles it all with ease. Its compact design makes it ideal for tight spaces, delivering unmatched versatility, and is available in multiple sizes, with a choice of universal or forestry rotors to match your needs. The Coneteks Subsoil Mulcher promotes sustainable land management and allows you to accomplish more in less time without the need to access multiple attachments. It converts vegetation into nutrient-rich mulch, enriching the soil. At Coneteks, we're proud to present the precise, rugged, overperforming, US-made, dependable Coneteks Subsoil Mulcher. Proudly made in Claremont, North Carolina. Discover the power of Coneteks. Contact us today to learn more.